Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cabbage cheese omelette. Hope you like it. Ingredients: cabbage, bell peppers, eggs, cheese, spring onion. Bell pepper remove seeds and sliced. Shredded cabbage. Chopped spring onion. Crack eggs into bowl. Add all ingredients. Mix evenly. You can add salt or chicken powder to season it, or you can fry it without seasoning and dip it in sauce. Drizzle cooking oil in wok, then pour cabbage batter. Don't turn it over yet. Wait until the bottom is formed and pour it into the plate. Carefully flip the plate and place egg into wok. Let it fry until fully cooked. Put a slice of cheese on top when it is almost out of the pan and wait until the cheese melts slightly. Let's plate omelette. Let's enjoy this cabbage omelette. Another way is to put a slice of cheese when frying the egg and then fold the egg in half. This way you can eat cheese-brushed omelette. This cabbage omelette is easy to make. Friends who like cheese can adjust the amount of cheese according to their preferences. The crispy cabbage, cheese, and bell peppers taste great, and eating them together feels like eating cabbage pizza. If you can't finish the cabbage omelette, you can brush it with your favorite sauce such as ketchup, chili sauce, etc. Then sprinkle it with plenty of cheese and bake it to make a delicious pizza. By the way, if you are looking for delicious egg recipes, welcome to check out my egg recipe playlist where there are 266 recipes waiting for you. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Cabbage has 1 gram of fiber for every 10 calories. That helps fill you up, so you eat less. It also keeps you regular, and it could help lower your bad LDL cholesterol and control your blood sugar. Cabbage also has nutrients that keep the lining of your stomach and intestines strong. If you want to preserve these nutritional benefits, it's best to steam your cabbage. First, because steaming improves its cholesterol-lowering properties. Steaming also preserves more glucosinolates than microwaving, despite longer cooking time. Purple or red cabbage is a special nutritional powerhouse. Is cabbage good for skin? Advantages of your skin. Sulfur in cabbage also helps form keratin protein compounds required for healthy hair, nails, and skin. Cabbage juice is frequently used topically to improve complexion. The potassium in cabbage cleanses the body and skin, making them spotless. Does cabbage remove toxins? Cabbage does double detox duty. Its diuretic properties help rid your body of excess liquid, carrying toxins along with it. Like other cruciferous veggies, cabbage is also sulfur-rich, helping your liver break down toxins so they can be more easily expelled. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.